What if you could learn everything about industrial automation, from sensors and pneumatics to servo and stepper control, all in one portable system? This is the complete PLC training kit. Before powering up the system, let's quickly go through the setup. All wiring, protection devices and connections are already in place, carefully designed and documented using EPLAN Electric P8 and EPLAN Pro panel. Here I'm connecting all required wires for this kit, verifying the control circuits and ensuring all modules and drives are ready for operation. Once everything is set, the kit is ready to come to life. With a single switch, the entire training system powers on. The setup integrates a Siemens S7-1200 PLC, a stepper motor driving the conveyor belt with encoder feedback, pneumatic actuators, a servo motor and drive, and multiple sensors for detection. A key selector switch allows us to toggle between two main operating modes. With level 1, the basic sorting mode. In this mode, the conveyor runs at a constant speed and sorting is handled using timer-based control. When a sensor detects an object, a short delay is triggered before a pneumatic actuator extends to sort it. This mode demonstrates the fundamentals of automation, start-stop logic, timers and digital control, ideal for beginners. If no object is detected for 30 seconds, the system automatically stops, conserving energy and ensuring safety. The advanced sorting mode. Here, sorting is based on position feedback from the encoder attached to the stepper motor. The PLC continuously reads encoder pulses using a high-speed counter and calculates the exact conveyor position. Once an object is detected, its position is tracked in real time, and when it reaches the target location, the pneumatic cylinder activates to sort it with precise timing. This mode introduces advanced concepts like encoder, processing, high-speed counting, and position-based actuation. The final section of the kit is the servo motor training mode. By switching to this mode, the servo system is powered on and ready for manual motion control. Pressing the green push button rotates the servo clockwise, while the red button reverses the direction. This section helps trainees understand servo drive operation, direction control, and basic motion setup. This PLC Automation Training Kit represents a complete learning platform, combining electrical design, PLC logic, pneumatics, and motion control in one unified system. It was developed as our final internship project, a true team effort where we learned how to design, integrate, and test an automation system from the ground up.